Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about views in Laravel. So in the last video you saw that we are returning here a view which is called welcome. So where is this view and how can we create our own views? So here if we come to resources, there is a folder called views and there is a file called welcome.blade.php. So this .blade.php, this is the extension of the file and we will discuss about Blade later on, but here I will just give you some introduction how to work with it. So in Laravel we use a Blade templating engine and its extension is .blade.php and the name of the file is welcome. So here when we return a view, we don't write the .blade.php, we just write the name of the file. So if we open this file, you can see title of the page, there is Laravel, and it has some other codes as well. So if we see the page, title of the page is Laravel. So now let's change it. If I write here, welcome to Laravel. And now if I refresh this page, you can see welcome to Laravel. Now let's say if I remove all of this code and just write here in h1 tag, welcome to Laravel. And if I refresh the page, you can see welcome to Laravel. Now all of those styling and everything is gone. Now how can we create our own views? So let's say we go here to the views and I want to create this contact view. So I will right click and create a new file, and that new file will be contact.blade.php. And here let's write some code. This is just the basic HTML, and let's say here create an h1 tag and contact us. And this, if we go to the contact, so it will not be there. So contact, so let's say change this so that you can verify it. And here if I refresh it, so it is not this page. So how can we return this view in this contact route? So here we will return the view and the name of the file. So the name of the file is contact. And now if I refresh it, you can see contact us here. So in this way we can create the about us page as well. So let's create that. The about .blade.php. And let's do the same thing here as well. And here we will say about us. And in the route we will return this view. So here we will return a view that is called about. So now if you go to the about, you can see about us. Similarly, we can do the same thing with the post as well. So let's create a route and then I will show you how to pass these variables. So now create a view that is called posts dot blade dot php. And here let's write welcome to our blog. And here if we go to posts, so we need to write the complete URL, because this will not work because we don't have any route like posts. So we need to pass a slug and a category. So my first post and the category is a CS. So category is optional, but we can access this route. So now let's return a view that is called posts. And now let's refresh and you can see welcome to our blog. Now, how can we pass these variables to our view? So we can pass them by, so we will pass an array here and the name of the variable, so that is slug and $slug. So in order to pass a variable, we will write it in through array, and here in the first one, the key, that one, and here we don't write the $sign, but here we are passing the variable, so we will write the $sign with it. Let's say if we just want to pass a title, for example, a title, here we will write welcome to Laravel. And that's it. So we are just passing a variable with the value. And now let's access this title. So here with the document title, I will write. So normally with PHP, we will write something like this: PHP and echo $title. And if I refresh, this will change now. You can see welcome to Laravel. But in Blade, we don't write anything like this. What we do is we do something like this and write the variables inside. So $title. So this will be the equivalent to PHP and echo. So here you can see the same thing here as well, but now it's a bit cleaner. So now how can we pass these ones? So let's pass those ones as well. So slug, $slug, and category, $category. Okay, so now let's go to the view and here I will write. So let's create a p tag. Now I will write $slug. And if I refresh the page, you can see the slug. And let's create a p tag and create dollar category. And if I refresh the page again, you can see this one. So now this one, the CS, the category, that is optional. So if I remove it and go, then you can see there is no CS because there is no value. So it will not give us an error, and it will print only the slug, not the category, because it is not defined. So in this way you can pass different variables to a view. Now there is another method as well, that is called compact. So let's create this title. So title is equal to this thing, welcome to Laravel. And here I will just remove all of these, and here I will just write compact, and without the dollar sign, the name of the variables. So title, slug, and category. And this way we can pass these variables, which is a bit cleaner. So you can use both of the ways, whichever you like. And if I refresh the page, you can see the same thing. And if I write here yes, you can see the same thing as well. So that's all about views. We will discuss a lot more about views in some other videos, but for this video that's all, and see you in the next video.